Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our sneaks and specials that are to come for the rest of August. Yes, I know this video is a little late. Please bear with me. I haven't had a lot of work time lately. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So I started doing these videos a few months ago because Scentsy actually started doing like a planning ahead document for us consultants so that we kind of have an idea in mind of like how the month is gonna go. And then I thought, like, what if I give that to you as well so that you also know how the month is gonna go? And y'all have really been enjoying these sneaks and specials videos, so I'm glad to keep doing them. Yes, today is August 9th, so yes, I'm a little late. We already did have a special LTO launch on the 7th, which was the Friends Warmer and Wax. And so last time I checked this morning, it's still available. So if you haven't ordered that collection yet, please go to wicklesscharm.com and order that as soon as possible because it's only available while supplies last. And before we actually dive into some more LTOs that are coming in August, we have to mention that this is the last month of our spring and summer 2023 catalog, meaning that we have a lot of stuff retiring from this catalog since spring and summer season. It's almost over with Scentsy. We have our fall winter catalog that launches on September 1st. So in order to make room for the new and returning fall winter stuff, we have to get rid of the spring and summer stuff. So this happens twice a year. And it's always a sad moment, but I mean, it definitely makes sense because we're ready for fall and winter scents. So that means that we have a lot of stuff retiring from this catalog, not just fragrances, but warmers, a travel twist, some scent packs, some Scentsy pods, fragrance flowers, coconut daiquiri is leaving the body line. We have a lot discontinuing, and so here is the full list. If you need to take a screenshot of this, please just pause this video, take a screenshot, or write down your favorites, whatever you need to do. But all of these items are currently 10% off, and they are only available while supplies last for the rest of August. Almost everything else is also 10% off to help celebrate a great catalog season. So even your classic favorites like Blueberry Cheesecake, Amazon Rain, Clothesline, all the products and fragrances that are sticking with us for the next fall and winter catalog season, they are 10% off. It only excludes licensed items with box and a few other items like that. So not only do we have the catalog leaving, but that means that it is time to edit your Scentsy Club. So I have already gone in and I've removed all the fall and winter stuff that is returning, and I have added in all of my favorite spring and summer waxes that I cannot live without during the spring and summer season, because adding these to my club in August means that they will lock in once the catalog is officially retired, and I will continue to get them for my Scentsy Club order in 3 months, 6 months, next spring and summer. So for example, if Pina Colada Cha Cha or Bonfire Beach do not come back next spring and summer, I personally will still be getting them in my club order because I locked them in right now with Always Get My Bar. Always Get My Bar is my favorite program, and if you have not seen anything about Scentsy Club or if you need more information, I do have a video that I will link up here. But now is the time. If you love it, club it. Also going on in August is our Join promotion. We have a very spooky special join kit for anybody who is signing up with Scentsy. Brand new consultants can actually get the transition starter kit, which also includes the fall and winter catalogs, fragrance testers, everything you need to finish up this month with Scentsy and get ready for September 1st whenever we have the fall winter catalog launch. But not only that, they actually added in some more spooky items, including the September warmer of the month and a pack of the Harvest brochures. The Harvest collection also launches on September 1st, and you get the 5-bar bundle that is in the Harvest collection. So you have scents where you can sample them, you can let people smell them, you can keep them for yourself, you can do whatever you want with them, but you're getting the extra special transition starter kit for the same $99 price, and you're getting the September warmer of the month for free, the 5-bar bundle in the Harvest collection for free, and you're getting a pack of the Harvest collection brochures so that you have everything to help you get ready for September 1st. Also, if you are working to earn a kit, or if you want to earn a host exclusive starter kit, meaning that you can actually sign up at a discounted price of $59, or maybe even for free. I will have another video linked up here of how you can sign up for free. You do get a smaller kit in this, but these kits in August also include the 5-bar bundle from the Harvest collection. And last but not least on kits, if you have been inactive with Scentsy, meaning that you cannot like log onto Workstation, you cannot place orders, you can't earn commission, like your consultant account is inactive completely. If you've been gone for at least 3 months, you can actually reinstate for free in August, and you would have the chance to purchase a reinstatement kit, which has everything you need to relaunch your business. And the reinstatement kit also includes the 5-bar bundle in the Harvest collection. And yes, I did not get the chance to actually film a video about the August scent and warmer of the month, but here they are, the Mountain Sky Warmer and Pink Leather Fragrance. The mountains are calling. This beautiful warmer transports you to a serene mountain getaway where moonlight shines bright on a cloudless night, perfect for stargazing. This warmer is 10% off in August and is available for $49.50. It uses a 20-watt bulb. It does glow when lit, and it sits 6.5 inches tall. And the scent of the month, Pink Leather, I think has stole my heart as my number one favorite scent of all time. I think it has, because it reminds me so much of Pacific Sandalwood from the International Wax collection some years ago. And it has strawberry in it, which Pacific Sandalwood does not. So I feel like it definitely will hold me over until I can get my hands on more Pacific Sandalwood. But it's a great performer. It's so good. Pink Leather is available as a Scentsy bar, room spray, and scent circle, all at 10% off. And it is wild strawberry topped with rich toasted vanilla. Adds a lovely sparkle to smooth pink leather. If you liked the Pacific Sandalwood, or if you love sandalwood and vanilla like I do, please try Pink Leather. It's absolutely amazing, and I really have like high hopes for this being like a future like permanent like catalog scent one day. And going along with monthly specials, we actually have some curated bundles that Scentsy created for us. If you actually go to the specials tab on my website and then the Scentsy created bundles, it says unique monthly rotating bundles featuring seasonal catalog products that we think you'll love. We have 3 awesome bundles put together. So a back to school bundle for $27, you get 6 Scentsy bars that Scentsy picked for you. And then we also have a happy hour bundle, which is 6 Scentsy bars for the same $27. And then we have a back to school counter clean bundle. So for $26.10, you're getting Daydream Oasis, Johnny Appleseed, and Squeeze the Day, all in counter clean. So definitely, if you love pre-made bundles where you don't even need to think about what scents you want, just go ahead and go to the specials tab on my website, go to the Scentsy created bundles. It's actually the first category whenever you click the specials tab, and you can just easily add them to your cart right there. So that is everything that is available right now. Plus the European Soccer collection is back. I forgot to mention that, but that is back. So future stuff. So here are the dates. I don't have any details on these things yet. So on August 14th, we do know that we are getting a Disney Princess collection, and the NFL collection is coming out of the vault. So the previous NFL collection, I'm guessing probably the warmers and the wax, those are coming out of the vault on Monday, August 14th. But the Disney Princess collection, I know that we have the original Cinderella Scentsy bar coming, and we have a brand new Scentsy bar, like Princess Scentsy bar, coming out as well. And I know the Cinderella carriage warmer is coming back, and I have a feeling that we have another surprise. So that will probably be announced tomorrow, and it will be coming out on Monday the 14th. So stay tuned for that if you love everything Disney Princess. And then we have more coming to the Monsters Incorporated collection on August 21st. So on the 21st, we have Mike and Sully Scentsy bars coming back with the Monstropolis Scentsy bar. And we also have a brand new warmer and a brand new mini warmer. So definitely keep an eye out on that if you love Monsters Inc. as much as we do, because that is coming on August 21st. And then last but not least, we have the Star Wars collection coming on August 28th. And I don't know any more details about that. I do know we have a new buddy coming. I take that back. We have a new buddy coming. But I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. Never watched it, so I'm not trying to be a hypocrite over here. I don't know if I would like it or not because I haven't watched it yet. I need to watch it. It's on my like mental to-do list because I'm a really big story nerd and movie nerd, TV series nerd, and I know that if I gave it a try, I would. I just need to sit down and try it. But I know we have something else coming to the Star Wars collection, and that is coming August 28th. And I bet you, like, our bars, like light side, dark side, I bet you those will probably be returning with that too. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is the monthly roundup. Roundup? Is that what I'm trying to say? That's like the August roundup? Does that make sense? I don't know. It's been a long day. Maddie started pre-K today, so if you follow me on Facebook, you may have seen the photo, like her first school photo, and it was pretty hilarious. I love it. I will cherish it forever. That is everything going on in August, and in the next few weeks, never know, since he might also surprise us with more. But coming up soon, next Monday, the Disney Princess Collection and the NFL Collection is coming out of the vault, so stay tuned. But thank you guys for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me in August because it's awesome. And we are also working to earn our next incentive trip, and you can earn a trip to Hawaii for yourself and a guest, absolutely all expenses paid. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.